What is going on, guys? Welcome to hopefully the first of many videos that Giancarlo and I were gonna be doing, and this is all gonna take place in VR 180. That's 3D. Now you can use your phone if you don't have a headset, right? And you can look around in 2D, but the experience will not be as close as if you use a VR headset. For example, if you're using the Mel Science cardboard one, it will work as well. But even better will be if you have like the Oculus Go or Quest. This one will take you to another dimension. Now, what is it that we're gonna be doing? We're gonna be doing what?
We're gonna like get milk and then put colors in it. It's gonna make like a very cool effect.
A cool effect, that's right. And we're using Mel chemistry. So if you guys buy this, you can follow along. We're gonna try to do, we get one of these a month, and we have different experiments in here, so we're gonna be doing a video per experiment, right? This one is gonna take place using milk and what's in here. Let's go and open it up and see what's inside, right? So let's throw this over here, and here's the box that comes in the mail. No, this way.
Okay.
Here we go. Open it.
Whoa.
So here's the first one. These are the instructions, right? You're gonna show it to them? All right, let's see what he says. He says, color changing milk.
Whoa.
Right?
Yeah.
Supposed to take 10 minutes, hopefully not that long. Its difficulty is 1 out of 3, danger is 1 out of 3, so it's really not that dangerous, right? Yeah. Look that way. All right, so here it is. What is it that we need to do? Put on protective gloves and eyewear. All right, wait. Before you put that on, let's put on the gloves first. All right. So we have small size and large. What are you?
Small.
You're small. Okay.
I'm tiny.
He's small.
I'm tiny.
You're tiny? I'm not gonna put him on because you're the one that's gonna do the experiments, right? I'm gonna be reading the instructions for you. So here are the two colors. Purple. Okay.
Purple.
Giancarlo, always facing the camera, okay? Always facing your friends there. Don't give your back. So here it is. This is gonna be yours. Put them on. And while you're doing that, by the way, here's the milk.
I know.
You wanna drink it? No, right? No. We'll do that later. So this is the kit. These are the instructions. These are the glasses that you're gonna put on.
I am the kid.
No, not the kit.
Oh.
K-I-T. So what do we have? We have a Q-tip. Let's see what it is. Oh, we got the milk. We got the base where we're gonna put the milk in. We have.
You have to put the gloves on just in case.
Yeah, of course, because you're gonna be handling chemicals.
No, but the gloves, you said you weren't gonna put them on.
No, because I'm gonna be reading the instructions, and you're the one that's gonna do the experiment.
And what if I touch something, and the glove has a chemical?
Then we'll go to the bathroom and we'll wash it off. All right?
Okay.
So here's a Q-tip. This is everything that we need. So let's get this out of the way. And let's bring it over here. Let's bring the milk on this side. Let's do this like this, so you guys can see it over there at home. Let's put the milk on this side. While you're doing that, let's go over the chemicals. We got this yellow one, which is food coloring. Next, we have the red one, the blue one. What are these chemicals? Methylene blue. You know what that is? No. It's just blue. And then we have liquid soap. So we got 3 different chemicals.
I was gonna say blue food coloring.
Food coloring? No, let's see what it says here. Methylene blue, anatole, and eosin. Is that how you pronounce it? Probably not.
Yes.
All right, so let's go.
Let me try to pronounce it. Eosin, methylene blue,
right.
Anatole.
And the other one, the yellow one?
The yellow one, Anatole.
And this one right here?
Liquid soap.
Nice. All right, so now you got protective eye gear. Here are the instructions for everybody to see, guys. And let's start the experiment. Ready?
Yeah.
You got the gloves on?
No, but wait, my thumb.
Your thumb? You need help? Yeah, see? You gotta do this. Alright? It works. The thing is that these gloves are probably for a kid that's a little bit older than you or bigger than you, right?
Like 9.
Like 9? Alright, let's just go like that. Right? So, first step, we're gonna add the milk here to the base. Go ahead. Do it, sir. You have the honors of doing it. Slowly, slowly. Like that. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Fill it all up. Come on, add more.
It looks like we're putting glue.
It looks like glue? Alright, that's it. You know what? Let's just put everything in there. And we're gonna put this over here. Alright. What's next? Let's look at the instructions. You have to pick one of these 3. First, let's make it interesting for the audience. This one is the last one. So we got 3 colors. We got red, yellow, and blue. Which one do you want us to pick? Which one do you want to pick?
Yellow.
Tell them.
Yellow.
We're gonna go with yellow? Alright, get yellow. And he says, open it up. Facing them. Face your friends. Alright, yellow. 2 to 3 drops in different places. So don't put them in the same place. You need help? Alright, yeah, you got the gloves, man. But the gloves are for safety. There you go. See? This is the one that we're gonna be using. The food coloring. So, alright, once again, check out the instructions. You're gonna add like 2 to 3 drops in different places in the milk. Go for it. Squeeze it. Let me see. No. Oh, okay. You have to face it down. You see how the liquid is down below? You have to go like that. 1 drop, slowly the squeezing. Alright, let me see. My God, guys, the anticipation is killing us.
Oh, I know. We have to take off this thing.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh no, wait a second. I think I know what's going on.
What? We have to open or something? Oh, we have to use that thing.
This thing is what we need to use to puncture it.
To make it go through.
Alright, let's check this out.
Oh no.
Need to puncture it. There you go. Now it's gonna work. See, guys, what I'm doing? Boom. Let's see if it works now. Let's put this over here. Okay, so remember, try one first, slowly. Here it is. All right, let me see.
Wait, what's coming?
It's coming down. Oh, there it is. I see it. Get up. Let people see. There you go. That's one. Do another one and another one. Don't get so close to it. If not, you're gonna block people's view. That's 2. See, you can't touch this. You can't touch Giancarlo. You can't touch it. Okay? Check this out. You need to be like. You need to go like this. All right. What's next? All right. We already did the yellow one.
The red.
The red. Now I need to puncture it again.
I wanna puncture it.
You wanna puncture it? Remember, facing your friends. They need to see what you're doing. There you go. Push it down. Let me see. Is all the way in?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, guys? It is all the way in. Let's do it a couple of times just to
Make sure.
be sure. See? There you go. You gotta push that thing in. All right. So remember, don't get too close. Oh! See how easy that was? 1, you do the other 2. Slowly, and 2.
Whoa, that was a big one.
Yeah, go easy. 3. See, the thing is that you get too close.
Look, it looks like a paw.
All right, yeah, but remember, don't touch it. Don't touch the table so that it doesn't mix, because then it's gonna ruin the experiment.
No.
All right, so we're done with red. Last one, methylene blue.
No, we have.
No, this is the last step.
Oh yeah.
I'm saving this for last. Let's open this. Since we're running behind, it's taking a little longer than I thought. Let me help you out. So we push this in. There it is. Okay, where are you gonna put it? I think you should put it. Don't touch the table. You're shaking it. Here, here, and maybe in between, right? Boom! 1, 2. Oh, that's pretty cool. 3.
Now we have.
Now the Q-tip. We're adding soap, liquid soap, to the tip. Let's see. We need to push it down too. Using, oh, that was easy. Using the paper clip. All right, so let me do this one for them. So here you go. Here's a Q-tip. Here's the liquid soap. We're gonna add a little bit here to the tip.
I want to try.
All right, there you go. Okay, so now it says, touch the milk in the middle of the dish with the tip. Let them see it. Moment of truth. Oh!
Wow.
You see how everything went out?
Mm-hmm.
It spread out. No, that's it. 1. All right, now, here's the thing. The last step. You're gonna add some liquid soap in the middle. So just drop it in the middle. See what happens.
Wow.
So that's the effect. It pushes the liquid out.
It's kind of like a very like.
Right. And Giancarlo, guess what?
The prize.
That was it. That was easy, right? You can take off your glasses. Guys, I hope you enjoy this experiment as much as we did. I mean, we're experimenting not only with this, but we're experimenting with 3D, and we're gonna be making more videos. So if you guys liked it, please hit like down below, thumbs up, right?
And we'll see you guys later.
In the next one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.